It's really easy to sell appointment bookings from your EzyCourse website. Underneath products, there's a whole appointments section here, and you can see that we've got some appointments already created. Let's have a look at one of these to show you the information that you can add in. You can give your appointment a name. You can say whether it's in person or it's a virtual meeting, Google Meets. You can sync appointments with your Google Calendar. So this is really good to make sure any bookings for appointments appear in your calendar. It's also great to be able to check availability in your Google Calendar as well. You can put in descriptions, you can set how far in advance people can book, what the duration is, and you can set your weekly schedule as well. You can also send out reminders for the appointment before it happens. Now let's have a look at what this looks like from a user perspective. So back on our site here, we have an appointment link in the menu at the top, and you can see here is where I can choose the appointment that I'm booking, and I can choose from available slots. These highlighted circles here are showing me where slots are available, and I can go through and book that. Now, appointments can be free, but you can also charge for them as well. So that's another revenue stream that you've got with your EzyCourse platform.